In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a tab group name in Google Chrome. If you like to keep your browser organized, tab groups are a really helpful feature. They make it easier to separate work, research, shopping, entertainment, or anything else you're doing online. Renaming a tab group is a simple change, but it can make your browsing experience much clearer and more efficient, especially if you have multiple groups open at the same time. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the tab group you want to edit is already visible in the tab bar. A tab group usually appears as a colored label or circle next to the tabs that belong to it, so it should be easy to spot. Once Chrome is open, move your cursor to the tab group name or colored tab group label at the top of the browser. Then right-click directly on that tab group. This will open a small menu with several options related to that group. From there, enter the name you want to use for the tab group. If the name field is already visible, you can simply click into it and type the new name. Choose something short and clear so it's easy to recognize later. For example, you might use labels based on a project, task, or category that matches the tabs inside that group. After you type the new name, Chrome will update the tab group label automatically. You should now see the new name displayed right in the tab bar. This makes it much easier to identify the group at a glance, without needing to open or check each tab individually. If you're trying to stay organized, it also helps to use names that are consistent. For example, if one group is for work and another is for personal browsing, keeping the labels simple and specific can save time throughout the day. You can also combine a clear name with the group's color to make everything even easier to manage visually. And that's all it takes to change a tab group name in Google Chrome. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference when you're working with lots of open tabs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.